Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to pro-mix a Snow White body cream. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of the upcoming videos. So let's get started. So guys, for the base cream I'm using Dr. James Organic Milk Whitening Lotion. You can use any other whitening cream of your choice as your base, but I'm using this one. So here it says it is extracted from the top layer of cow's milk and it helps to nourish the skin. It contains 100% of cow's milk to nourish and smoothen the skin. This lotion lightens the skin and it doesn't contain harsh chemicals that could damage the skin, so it is perfect for pro-mixing. You need rose water, which brightens the skin, face dark spots, acne, and it unifies the skin complexion. You need glutathione terminal white tube cream. I'm using this particular black one because I feel like this one is a lot more stronger than the others. This tube cream is very effective when it comes to skin whitening. You need Disa sunblock, which contains SPF 90. It prevents sun-induced skin damage and it is also waterproof. You need citrus essential oil, which helps to prevent skin reactions like eczema and rashes. You need Tower Snow White powder, which is a whitening powder, or 50 grams of any other Snow White powder. You need skin-free milk, which you all know is a very effective skin whitening serum. You need magic white serum, which helps in fading dark spots, dark skin patches. It brightens the skin and unifies the skin tone. You need pimento, which helps to fade dark spots, skin discoloration, and it lightens the skin. You need Shalom stretch mark oil to help prevent stretch marks. You need Shenic oil to help prevent and fade green veins. You need propylene glycol to help all the whitening actives penetrate the skin. You will need preservatives. And you need rosehip oil, which hydrates the skin, brightens the skin, reduces hyperpigmentation, inflammation, and it protects the skin against sun damage. So firstly, I'm dissolving my Snow White powder with 2 tablespoons of rose water and I will double boil it so that it dissolves well. So in this beaker, I'm putting 1 Dr. James Organic Milk Whitening Lotion. It is about 500 ml. Back to the Snow White powder, it is completely dissolved now, so I'll take it down. Now to the base cream, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of skim-free milk. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of magic white serum. After which, I'm putting 1 teaspoon of pimento serum. Now I'm putting 1 tablespoon of Shalom stretch mark oil. Then I'm putting 1 tablespoon of Shanic oil. After which, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil. Next, I'm putting about 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. After which, I'm putting 1 tube of glutathione terminal white cream. I'm now putting about 1 teaspoon of this sunblock. Guys, the fact that I'm adding sunscreen to this cream doesn't mean you shouldn't use your sunscreen with this cream. So now I'm putting in my Snow White powder. Next, I'm putting 1 teaspoon of propylene glycol. After which, I'm putting half teaspoon of preservatives. I'm now still blending to mix everything properly. So I'm done stick blending. This is what our Snow White body cream looks like. I got about 750 ml of the Snow White body cream. This cream is strictly for light skin. If you are dark, you would want to avoid this cream. It is best used at night, but if you are using it in the day, be sure to use it with your sunscreen. With consistency, this cream gives about 4 to 5 shades. While using this cream, be sure to exfoliate at least 3 times a week to achieve a well-blended white skin. This cream sinks into the skin immediately after application. It hydrates and whitens the skin. It is good for all skin types, so you really should try it out. This is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help the channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.